Hi guys, welcome to another edition of our video on FOP creators. And in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn some passive income using your smartphone. So the first thing you're going to do is you click on your browser and then you go to ad.adf.ly. You click on this. I know most of you guys know this website, but probably you don't use it. But it's actually cool. So make sure you click on this first link here. So make sure you click on this first link. You can see. So it's actually a URL shortener website. So whereby you shorten your URL and then you earn money through clicks. So you click on the first URL, the first link. If you can see this is the user interface of the website. You can see what we have here. So you can see it says register for an account and start shrinking. That is, you shrink URL. So and then you get paid for every person who visits your URLs. So and then they offer you some advice here as well. Place your links on Facebook, Twitter, and more. So and then the next thing you're gonna do is click on this join now. But I have an account with them, so I'm not going to click on join now. So if you are new to this website, you can click on this option join now. So the next thing I'm going to click on is login, because I have an account already. And then you may get this so you may either want to continue using the web version, or you download the application on Play Store. So you click on continue to web version. Note, before coming to this interface, before you log into your website, you must have registered before coming to this place. So I have registered, so that is why it brings me to this place. So the next thing I'm just going to click on is login. So this is my account. You can see the overview of my account here. So if you really want to earn on this website, guys, you really need to shrink more URLs. You can see it's because I don't really have more URLs, so that is why I have like 1,310 views for the clicks. So I've earned like $1. So for that 1,000 clicks, the point is for 1,000 clicks you get $1. So it depends on the amount of URL you have shrinked. So if you want to really make money on this website, you make sure you shrink more URLs to make money. And then another thing I'm going to be showing you is you can earn through referral as well. So this referral up here, you can click on that. You can click on this if you want to earn through referral. So this is my link. So I'm going to make sure that this link is available for you guys in this video, so you can click on it if you really want to use this website and make money. So the point is, when you click on this link, so I actually get paid through through your registration using my link. So you can see the Art5 referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service. and to earn even more money with your short links, refer friends and receive 20% of the earnings for life. So you can also, when you register and get your own link as well, you can post it for others to click, and then they will register, and then you get paid from there, from the registration. So, and then if you have earned up to $5, you can see when you click on withdrawal, if you want to withdraw your money, then this is your, you can see, say withdraw your earnings, and then you want to read this very carefully, because you want to read something what is up here carefully. So what you read here, you can see your earnings will be automatically paid before midnight on the next payment date, which is April 1st, 2021. So we are in March now, so that means I'm not going to be getting paid before until April 1st. So if your earnings have reached a total of $5, that is, or more, for the previous month, that is, for the previous month, that is, if I want to get paid in April, so I must have reached $5 in March. So please note, Payoneer currently has a minimum withdrawal of $10. That is, if you use Payoneer as a payment option, that is, you won't get paid until your cash reaches $10. So you want to use PayPal options. So I don't know, that should be a good advice for you. So it says, please ensure your account ID is correct below, otherwise you cannot be paid. If you wish to purposefully miss a payment, please remove your payment details from your account before the first of the month. That means if you have reached the $5 payout option, then you will get paid automatically. So if you don't want to get paid at that time, you still want to accumulate more money to that $5, then you can remove your account information from your account. So I currently have PayPal as my payment processor. This is my Gmail account. So a Gmail account that is linked to your PayPal account. So this is the next payment, April 1st, 2021, and then this is the 11 days, 8 hours, 5 minutes, so 59 minutes remaining to what, to get to April 1st, 2021. So you can see this. So daily payment requirements. So this is what is required from you, so in order to get paid. So if you have not met all these requirements, you won't get paid. So you can see withdrawal account set. My withdrawal account has been set, so you make sure you set all these. Paid once in monthly payments, because I just started. So, and then account longer than 1 month, you can see it's longer than 1 month actually. So account details not changed in last 72 hours. Okay, so cash out limit reached $5. So I haven't reached $5, so I've just reached $1. So if you really want to get paid, and then how you can shrink your URL is to just come to this box over here. You can see this box up here, and then where there is HTTP of a thing, then you copy and paste that link, your long link, and then the next thing you do is you click on this shrink over here. Then you get the very short link that you post on Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere, and then when people click on it, then you get paid through it. So that's all for this video, guys. So ensure you follow all the steps, make sure you don't skip the video, and if you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.